In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and let me show you how to activate and use timer on the following device. So at first you need to locate clock up, in my case it's right here, and now you need to switch to timer. Here it is, and at first you need to select the particular period of time. So if you want to make a 1 hour countdown, just mark 1 hour, and let me pick, for example, 3 seconds or even 10. And now if you click on start, you will be able to see the countdown. Then you will hear the alert. Here it is, and you can either dismiss it or restart it. So let me restart it. And as you can see, even if you are in some other area, it will also be active here, and you can dismiss it right now. So this is it. This is how you can use timer. Obviously you can make some automatic time. So for example 10 minutes, just click here and you don't have to scroll through minutes and seconds. So this is it. This is how you can timer on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.